So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Sanjay Reddy, I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about waste management. Introduction. A waste can be defined as any unwanted and useless material. The waste can either be solid, liquid or gaseous. Solid waste in general can be defined as a material which is negligible value to the producer and there is no direct consumption of the generated waste. It is generated due to various activities that can be residual and commercial agriculture etc. Whatever the origin content of hazard potential is, solid waste must be managed systematically to ensure environmental best practices. Sources. There are many sources of solid waste such as municipal solid waste, street sweeping, sewage treatment plant, waste from schools and other institutions, domestic waste, garbage, rubbish, paints, paper, glasses, old toys, old clothes, spoiled food, etc. Commercial waste from different stores and offices, mining, from coal mining, strip mining, etc. Agriculture waste, fertilization and pesticide containers, organic waste, etc. Hospital waste, disposable, syringes, swabs, body fluids, bandages, etc. Industrial waste, solvent, resins, metals, plastic, rubber, leather, abrasives, sludge, etc. E-waste, waste like wires, circuits, mobile phones, etc. Effects. Solid waste changes properties of soil, air, and water, causing pollution. Solid waste produces foul smell, breeds insects and organisms, leads to spread many diseases, infections, etc., affecting human and animal population. Harmful chemicals are released into the environment. Solid waste management. Solid waste management is defined as the discipline associated with control of generation, storage, collection, transport, or transfer, processing, and disposal of solid waste material. Solid waste management includes planning, administrative, financial engineering, and legal functions in the process of solving problems arising from waste material. The primary goal of solid waste management is reducing and eliminating adverse impacts of waste material on human health and environment to support economic development and superior quality of life. Function elements of waste management system. There are five functional components of waste management system as outlined below. Waste generation, on-site handling, storage and processing, waste collection, waste transfer and transport, waste processing and recovery, solid waste treatment. The processing method available for management of solid waste includes segregation, reduction, reuse and recycling chemicals, biological and thermal conversion, etc. Segregation. Segregation or waste sorting is the process by which waste is separated into different elements. Waste segregation means dividing waste into dry and wet. Waste can also be segregated as biodegradable, non-biodegradable. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduction is the most important strategy of 3Rs. It focuses on source of the waste or where the waste is originally coming from. Source reduction is carried out when products are designed, manufactured, packaged, and used in a way that limits the amount or toxicity of waste created. The second most important strategy of the 3Rs is reuse, which is when an item is cleaned and the materials are used again. Advantages of reuse: reduced disposal needs and costs, energy and raw material savings. A third R in the hierarchy is recycle, which means reprocessing of disposed material into a new and useful products. Advantages of recycling: saves energy, conserves resources. Chemical processing. Chemical processing involves the chemicals transformations or conversions or organic fraction of waste into various useful compounds such as glucose, synthetic oils, gaseous, etc. Example, glucose is required from the waste containing cellulose. Biological process. It involves processing like composting, anaerobic conversion, anaerobic fermentation and digestion. The products formed by this process include compost, methane, various proteins, alcohols, and wide variety of intermediate organic products. Composting. It is controlled biological decomposition of organic matter which as food and yard waste into humus. Composting is natural process of rotting or decomposition of organic matter by microorganisms under controlled condition. It can be anaerobic and aerobic. This process takes about 4 to 6 weeks. Benefits of composting: provides nutrients to the soils, increases beneficial soil organisms, protects soil from erosion, assists pollution remediation. Landfilling. A landfill site is a site for the disposal of waste materials by burial and is the oldest form of waste treatment. Waste is directly dumped into mining voids or borrow pits. Disposed waste is compacted and covered with soil. Gases generated by decomposing waste materials are often burned to generate power. Landfilling can be done by three methods: trench method, area method, ramp method. Trench method. A trench method consists of an excavated trench into which solid waste are spread, compacted, and covered. The trench method is the best suited for nearly level land where the water table is not near the surface. Area method. The area method is best suited for flat or gently sloping areas where some land depression may exist. The wastes are spread, compacted, and then covered.